They snap off. Side by side, it is going to be Sean Langdon, 336 miles an hour, a 377.0. Langdon will stand on that run. His run there lands him 9th, and that means that he is the winner of the Mission Too Fast, Too Tasty Challenge again this year.
Sean Langdon will add his name to the Mission Too Fast, Too Tasty trophy here this season, and the medal presented by Angel Sampey. And you think of the season that you've had so far this season, why does this just keep rolling it along?
It's just Team Kalitta, man. Everybody, with getting led by Connie Kalitta, he gives us everything that we need to win races and win stuff like this. So great job to the team. We struggled a little bit in qualifying, and we knew Q4 we had to make a good run there, try to get us in better position for tomorrow. But little points, they all add up in the end. So this is a big win for us. We're very happy with that, and we'll see what we can do tomorrow.
Jordan's car is not moving forward. Jordan's car, they're trying to get that thing to move.
Yeah, that's a setting. That's a stall on the clutch, and it's keeping that car neutral. That looks like he's shutting it off.
He is shutting it off, so Alexis is going to have a solo. Man, she's been idling there for a hot second waiting for her teammate. Kenny Lubanski, the starter, indicated it's her run, and man alive, that is disappointing. She shakes the tires. Not disappointing for her, but for Jordan, a missed opportunity.
Yeah, and there's a good chance maybe something happened to forward gear, but more than likely it was just an adjustment on the clutch that wouldn't allow that car to roll forward. The driver can't really squeeze on the throttle to roll it. There's a good chance that you'd put some of the crew members at risk. So very frustrating, and that's points and some cold hard cash that just slipped through their fingers.
Alexis DeJoria was the inaugural Mission Too Fast, Too Tasty winner when we kicked off this program. Now she'll add her name back to this trophy. And Alexis, we've been talking about the weekend. I know that run was a little rough for you, but you said you have a race car. Where's this program at present?
Oh gosh, consistency. And we do have that, except that last run. Don't count that one. I don't know why we shook, but we shook hard. Got a lucky round on that one. I did not expect Jordan to go out there and have to be shut down. I don't know what happened to him, but that's not a way you want to win the race. But we won, so I am very grateful for this. We won the inaugural race, like I said, in Arizona, so it's nice to be back and be able to say I got another win out here. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Mission Foods.
And now it's time for the Mission Too Fast, Too Tasty Challenge final in Pro Stock. Eric Andrews at Johnson's Horsepower Garage, Melling Performance Camaro. And across the racetrack, Greg Stanfield, who has been the best Elite Motorsports car all season long. He's had nothing to show for it. This may be the afternoon he does. The Janik brothers, Melling Performance Camaro, both out of Elite Motorsports. Here we go. Both cars tear off the starting line. Stanfield was 003 green, and the right side of the racetrack will not be that side. 656. Erica gets there first, outrunning this 658 at 208 of Greg Stanfield. You give Greg Stanfield 19 thousandths off a starting line normally, it's going his way.
Erica Enders is your Mission Too Fast, Too Tasty winner here in Pro Stock. And it starts from your performance back at SGMP to get into this position. You said you don't even understand what's happening this weekend. Are things trending in the right direction?
Well, it's definitely directionally correct for the moment, and whatever it is, we'll take it. But it's a lot of hard work and a lot of effort, as I always talk about. I want to give my guys so much credit because when you're not standing on the podium, it gets kind of grueling and you get a little depressed and frustrated with the lack of success. But that's what makes them champions, and I'm just glad for the moment we're back on top. Chicago means an awful lot to me. We got our first Pro Stock win here back in 2012, and when we rolled off the trailer this weekend, the feeling's just different. So I'm going to take it, but I'm really thankful for companies like JHG and Melling. Super stoked to be partnered up with R&L Carriers this year and Tony Stewart. We're having a really great time, Amanda, and I'm going to ride the wave.
One more for you.
Oh, this one
Finals, Too Fast, Too Tasty Challenge, Pro Stock motorcycle set. Oh, Angie is 500ths behind on the starting line. She's trying to hunt down Gage, and she's going to run out of racetrack. 675 on a whole shot for Gage Herrera, 200 miles per hour. 672.6. Angie Smith makes the quickest run of the weekend in Pro Stock motorcycle by 200ths of a second.
Gage Herrera doing Gage Herrera things. Gage, what keeps you confident at the starting line?
My crew chief, Andrew Hines, you know, he patted me on the back and said, let's go get those tacos. So, and I run fast. And, you know, I got all the faith in all my guys. You know, Jay preps my bike, Andrew, all the guys back at the shop with the engines and everything. You know, it takes a team to, you know, come out here and win. And I got the best out here with Vance Hines, Revzilla, Motul, Suzuki. And this is just good momentum going into Sunday tomorrow.